Hello, everybody. Welcome over here. Quick heads up here. Google just released a new feature that makes it dramatically easier to get customer reviews. And most business owners have no idea it exists yet. So that's I kind of want to go over with you guys. For years, getting reviews has been kind of hard and annoying. Customers had to search your business name, find your profile, click write a review, log in, then maybe leave one later, right? It's most never did, even asked. Now, it's not because they were unhappy, because there's too much friction in there. So Google quietly fixed that. Inside your Google Business profile, there is now a built-in tool that gives you two things. One is a direct review link that you can use to email, right, your clients. Then this is something new. The second one here is an official Google generated QR code. When someone scans that QR code, it opens the review box instantly. Not your profile, not a results page, right? Uh, right. They actually write a review, right? It's right on that review screen, right? One scan, one action, they're done, right? So it's so simple this day. Seriously, this is huge if you interact with your clients, right, in real life, right? So any customer that's already happy standing in front of you, this removes the excuse. So one important thing here, Google is very clear about this. You cannot incentivize reviews. No discounts, no giveaway, no coupons, no raffles. If you do, you risk reviews getting removed or your profile totally, right, the whole thing gets suspended. So use the QR code, right? No strings attached. It's free from Google. So this is how you find it. It's actually very simple. To find it, search your business on Google while you're logged into your like Gmail. Then a portal, like you'll see a portal pops up. You then click read reviews, then click on get more reviews. You will see that your link in the QR code right there. So then you download it, print it, right? You can put it on a back of business card, your invoice, however you want it, right? And really use it where customers already are. You can put a sign, right, over there for people to scan. I typically prefer you something for you to hand it to them. Could be a back with a business card or separate. Um, Leave us a feedback with a QR code, kind of like business card size, right? But really, this really, like this update removes that step, that friction, and really will help you increase your reviews. So please really use that QR code generator to your advantage. Okay, let me know your questions. Bye bye.